I was able to stop a 25-year daily habit in 2 days using the power of manifesting. Get this, whatever emotions you're feeling throughout the day, it's creating a frequency and a vibration, and you are attracting more of that into your life. Hello everybody, welcome back. I'm Sarah Stone, and I just got inspired to make this video because I've recently rediscovered the power of manifesting. And if you're brand new to manifesting, you're gonna love this video. I'm gonna help to explain exactly how it works and then show you step by step how you can get what you want in your life. There's a huge difference between wishing, hoping, dreaming, and manifesting. When you wish and hope for something, you're actually focusing on the absence of that and highlighting the fact that you don't have it. Oh, I really wish I could change this habit. I really wish I could get that raise. And every time you're saying that, you're putting all your energy and focus on the fact that you don't have those things. So instead of empowering yourself to believe in yourself and to attain all of these things, you're giving all your power away in hopes that someone else is gonna come along and save the day and make these things happen for you. So you've gotta stop wishing and start knowing and declaring that you can have everything that you dream. I am determined to be financially free. And in fact, I already feel the pride and empowerment of attaining those things. When you're manifesting properly, you are inspired to take action with the least amount of resistance. The law of attraction and manifesting, it's effortless. You don't have to put any effort in. And for a long time, I thought that meant, well, you just don't really have to do anything and you're just gonna attract these things and they're gonna magically show up on your doorstep. It's not that you no longer put forth any action. It's the fact that the action feels effortless because there's no resistance. And let me explain this further. One of the experts I study, Mel Robbins, says that manifesting is preparing your mind, body, and spirit to take action to get what you want. It's almost like an athlete training for the Olympics. You have to mentally rehearse and visualize all the steps to get what you want. One of the most amazing things that I'm experiencing from manifesting is that it removes all of this self-doubt and all of this fear and overwhelm and stress. And so you're able to take action towards things without having all of that resistance bubbling up. You know, like when you think about red cars, for instance, and then all of a sudden, everywhere you go, there's a red car. There's another red car. Well, guess what? Those red cars were always there before, but you just weren't focused on them, so you didn't see them. When you start focusing your thoughts on your goal, your subconscious mind starts helping to highlight the path with the least amount of resistance, without all those voices saying, you can't do it, you're not qualified, you're not good enough. All of that starts to dissolve away and you can just clearly see this path and it feels effortless. One of the really cool things I've learned about the subconscious mind is when you start visualizing things and like really feeling them like they've happened, your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between whether that is a real memory of something that happened or just something that you're visualizing. So your subconscious mind actually overrides the mental program that you've programmed into your brain unknowingly. It will override it and show you the path and lead you with impulses that lead you to take action with the least amount of resistance. And you retrain your mind and you reprogram your nervous system and retrain your spirit to help you get the things that you want. Manifesting inspires you to take action without resistance. You think your thoughts and then you get them, but it's more than thinking them. You have to feel them. You have to feel how good it feels to have all that money and that financial freedom, or to find your soulmate, or to have that perfect vacation, or whatever it is you desire. You've got to start focusing on those emotions because those emotions actually put out a vibration. So it's really simple. And you're not just visualizing the end goal. That's why sometimes dream boards don't work. You're visualizing and mentally rehearsing the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, the steps you have to take to get where you're going. When you ask, it is given. But you can't just ask with words, you've got to really feel it with your emotions. Get this, whatever emotions you're feeling throughout the day, it's creating a frequency and a vibration, and you're attracting more of that into your life. It's like they always say, you get what you give. So whatever you're putting out there, it will come back to you tenfold. I found that you have to be happy where you are in order to get where you're going. You have to be happy where you are to get where you're going. Your energy and vibration has to match the energy and vibration that you're seeking. One of the most beautiful things that I'm finding about manifesting is it helps you to locate and amplify the power that's already within you that you just don't even realize is there. It's like you're that athlete, you're totally in the zone, and everything, all the actions you're taking just feel right. That's what manifesting feels like. So I want you to try this for 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks, 5 minutes of your morning. Get a piece of paper out, write down 5 things, declare it. These are 5 things I want in my life. And then visualize 2 or 3 steps you have to take to get there. Don't just visualize the end goal, like we said. Visualize step 1, step 2, step 3. I have some of the things here that I've been writing. One of them was about how much money and abundance I've had. And I have been attracting new clients out of nowhere from the other side of the world. Another thing I have on here is my editor is a creative, hardworking, positive person that loves doing the majority of my work. And I kid you not, I have an editor in my office. I never thought that was possible. I've been trying to do that for a decade now, and it always has been a struggle, and I've struggled to be able to communicate and to be able to teach others. And now it's being completely effortless. Another thing I have written on my list is that my son Avery, who is 6, is excelling at reading and writing. And I can tell you for the last 5 years at least, it's been a battle for me and him when we go to do lessons. It's a power struggle. It's never come easy for me. And since I wrote this down, I've been reading it in the mornings. It is unbelievable the change that has happened. He is excelling at reading and writing. Another thing I have written here is that Violet no longer is having severe tantrums, and I'm really happy to say that she hasn't been having those kind of severe tantrums anymore. Has helped me to have the patience to make these conscious connections with my children. It's so important, and it's so life-changing for my family. And things are just looking up because I'm enjoying the journey, and I'm realizing that where I am right now is exactly where I'm supposed to be, and I'm happy with that, and I'm content with that. And it just makes every day more exciting and more fun. And I made this video because I want everyone to feel this good. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna be continuing my research on manifesting and sharing what I learned. So I hope to see you again.